Dad, I just want everything back the way it was.
Come here. So do I. The thing about this that intrigued me was the human aspect of this. I enjoyed that this wasn't focusing so much on the fight between humans and aliens so much as it was what would happen if you hit the reset button on society and had to start all over again. And how would these characters sort of create the template for what will be the next civilization?
If this hadn't happened, I'd be dealing with flu shots and neurotic mothers.
I'd be grading midterms.
There is a silver lining in all of this.